I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's michelleamoree, and if you are new here, hi, hello, welcome. So before I really get into this vlog, I wanted to go ahead and just kind of fill you guys in on what's even happening in this vlog, because this weekend is going to be a pretty packed weekend. There's going to be a whole bunch of stuff happening. So I definitely wanted to take some time and just kind of check in and brief you guys on some things. So it is my introduction weekend. So I'm super excited. I've learned a lot throughout this whole marriage process so far about like culture and Igbo culture and customs and how we do things in the wedding process. Like, it's been a lot that I've learned, a lot of things I didn't know. Like, you know, African girls, we grew up watching wedding videos on YouTube when we were like 10 and stuff, like, oh, my wedding's gonna be like this and that. But like, I feel like a lot of these videos don't really give you a full understanding and background of like some of the culture, the significance, and things that are happening throughout the process. So as I'm sharing my wedding journey, I really want to highlight that because culture is extremely important to me. As you know, I love traveling, and so what better way than to celebrate culture than to celebrate my own through this wedding process. So for those of you who don't know, Igbo introduction, I think my dad called it, it's called Iyo no, and it's basically like the knocking on the door thing. So I guess like traditionally what happens during this process, a man who's interested in marrying a woman, he'll come with like maybe his father or the diokpa of his family, which is like the eldest male, or you know, some men from his family, from his clan. They'll now come to the family's house of the woman that they're interested in, and they'll practically knock on the door. So they're knocking on the door symbolically to express their intentions to marry their daughter. And so I don't know, I'm gonna put in the meme, but it's basically like he's sitting there like, oh, there's a flower in your garden that we have come to pluck, you know, something like that. So it's all cheesy, but it's super cute. So the ceremony itself, basically, it's just the male figures of both sides of the family talking to each other about their interest of marrying the woman. Now, I'm from Onitsha, Anambra State, and so I can only speak from my own culture. So don't come and tell me, oh, in my town we don't do like this. This is what my daddy said, okay? And so my daddy said that, like, in Onitsha land, basically, the way we do it, my fiance won't even be the one speaking. Like, he doesn't even talk. He don't have nothing to say, because symbolically what happens in Igbo marriage, my dad is giving my hand in marriage to, like, it's gonna sound kind of weird, but it's like to his father. My dad has spent his life taking care of me, providing, protecting. He's now handing that responsibility over to my fiance's father. It's like, now I'm putting my daughter's care into your hands, not even in your son's hand, into your hands, to make sure she's straight. Make sure you keep your child in check, and make sure he's treating my daughter well. So that's basically what that is. So introduction is the opportunity for them to talk. Mind you, our parents already have a relationship. We've been engaged, you know, American engaged for like a year now. So all of this stuff is really just for culture purposes. So that's what happens in that conversation. It's pretty short. My dad's gonna have some of his close friends come and witness the event. What's unique about it is that no women are involved. Even my mom is not going to be sitting there in the living room, you know, carrying on with the talks and, you know, engaging with the men. Like, it's a strictly like male event. That's how it's supposed to run. So that's really interesting. We'll be upstairs, and then during the process, they'll come and call me to come downstairs, and my dad will ask me, do you know who this man is? And I'll be like, yeah. So that's the process. That's everything. It's supposed to be like a very low-key thing, because back in the day, like, I mean, you don't really know that they're coming, you know? It's basically them saying they want to express their intentions to marry you. So it's pretty casual, pretty laid back. My fiance and his family will be bringing a bottle of gin and some kola nut. So that's what they use to bring for this environment. So after after that though, because my mom is extra, I'm extra, we're having like a family party, I guess you could say. She's cooking, having food and drinks and all that kind of stuff. So it'll be nice because, I mean, we all know each other anyway. So it's like, let's not sit here and be pretending. Like, we'll do the traditional stuff, the ceremony, and then just kind of chill, lay back, and enjoy our time together. So I'm excited for that. Now, in terms of outfit, my dad did tell me to not, like, I don't have to do too much, like, just wear something simple. Simple is not even in my vocabulary. Like, I'm an extra girl from the beginning to the end of this wedding process. Listen, extra on 10. So that's what it's gonna be. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and run some errands, and then we're gonna get ready to head on over to Houston. My man has us booked at the Post Oak. I'm excited for that. I'll check in with you guys later.
Real shit. See that thing about you that caught my eye is the same thing that makes you BJ. My mind is kinda hard to explain you, but boy, I'll try. You need to sit down, this may take a while. See this boy, he's so that looks just like you. Yes, you even smiles just the way you do.
Hey y'all, so we are now checked in. I'm all dressed and we're all dressed. We are all dressed up, ready to go. Where are we going? Mastro's for dinner tonight. The earrings I brought, I forgot to bring earrings actually, some studs, because this dress is already doing a lot. So I needed something to balance it and I forgot, but it'll be all right. So yeah, I just curled up my hair. And I love this hotel. It's really, really cute. I'll show you guys some of the stuff. And then my man got some rose petals and whatnot to surprise me with. So that was really, really sweet. So yeah, we're just gonna go get dinner, come back, and introduction is tomorrow. So today is just really chill out, enjoy each other's company, and just have a really great night together. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Never be, 'cause you remind me of a boy that I once knew. His face whenever I look at you. Wanna believe all of the things he put me through. This is why I just can't get with you.
Good morning, you guys. So it is introduction morning, which is why my hair is in this state. I'm on my way to my hair appointment to go get my hair done for introduction. My fiance's out. He went to go get a facial this morning, so I'm gonna Uber over. And yeah, we're gonna get this whole introduction thing started. I could not sleep last night. Like, I'm glad I'm having this experience because now I know when it comes time for like my actual wedding, my trad and my white wedding, I'm taking melatonin like the night before. So excitement keeps me up. So I hardly got any sleep, but that's okay because I'm like running on adrenaline, I think, and excitement. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna head on over, get this hair done. I'm doing my own makeup. I can do a decent job. It's nothing too serious. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. So I am finally done with my hair. She did such a good job. Look at this. I have not had my hair done by another person in so long. So I'm super excited. Now we're heading on over to my house so he can drop me off and I can start getting ready. I gotta do my makeup, put on my outfit and everything. My mom, she's doing travel nursing, so she just landed, so she's on her way to the house too. And my best friend Faramee is on her way to my house as well. So everything's getting real. It's getting real. We're about to start really, really soon. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Hold on. Is it straight? It's straight.
Yeah, it's straight.
Hey guys.
Hi.
So this is my best friend.
Hi.
And my maid of honor.
Hey.
So I just got finished doing my makeup. Now, what do I have to do? I have to get dressed. All the cars, I'm already seeing people pull out from our side. We're still waiting on Oga to come and ask for my hand.
Come correct.
And you better hurry up because many suitors are waiting.
Yes.
It's getting so real.
Actually, the dress, y'all, show the dress a little bit.
Let's see. Let's see when it's all
see,
tied up.
exactly. Such a nice peach color. Yes. I've always seen all those YouTube promos, but it's like, I'm doing it. Oh gosh, it's getting more and more real.
Yeah.
When you put those shoes on. Oh, did you pick your shoes?
I actually forgot my shoes in Austin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Like that. Yeah, keep it tight.
Yeah, like keep it tight.
And so.
Yeah, I don't want to be able to breathe. Yeah, like this.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm literally like I took a breath.
All those historical.
I don't need air. I can breathe after.
Okay, look, shape come
It's
through.
very snatched.
Yes.
I love that.
You did a good job.
Y'all, look at this.
Snatch. Come on, twirl, twirl.
Look at this waist.
What? Oh, that looks good.
does?
Yes, look at that.
I know it does.
Oh, yeah.
That's so pretty.
Oh, it's getting more and more real.
I know.
I really like the design.
No, she did
The
good.
corset.
And then I'm gonna change my earrings. I think. Hold on, let me see some other ones if I like them.
Yeah, this looks trendy. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
So
it.
this one instead of this one. Yeah, I feel like that one's like I could wear it another time.
Yeah.
Okay. I got the jewelry on. Alrighty.
It adds to it.
It does.
Is he matching?
Yes, he's like in a peach.
Like traditional or suit?
Traditional.
Hey, come on, let's get pictures today.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay. And then I'm gonna add some of this shimmer. Yes. Oh, we're done. Now the pictures.
Look at the glow in the camera. Oh, come on. And I like how it's snap. Oh,
It's snatched.
it's snatched. Look how cute. Oh gosh, this hair. She did that. She did. Like, I love this. Like, somebody's gonna find me one. There she's found. Though. All you people that you missed out.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
she's found. Wow. Come on. Oh, our bride. Hey, y'all, do you see all the details? It's real. It's so real.
Excuse my sisters.
Then get out!
Shut up.
I'm not the one calm down. You know
I
I'm not
made
so
up all again.
Wow, the details. Ooh.
Anywho, my sister is here. It's her birthday. Say happy birthday, baby.
They messed up my hair.
Okay, anyway, it's my introduction. Anyway, they're actually downstairs right now. They're just talking. What are they doing? Did you greet anybody?
No. Oh, yes, I did. I greeted the aunties who audition food.
Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I think they're gonna call me sometime soon. Is my mom gonna call me?
Let me go.
We'll see. that. This baby, oh, please go for my shots. Okay, let me go ahead and explain what's going on here. One, as you can tell, I'm hella nervous and hella shy. Two, apparently nobody called for me. No one asked me to come down and see them and greet the guests and everything. But my mom was like, I know this girl did not get her hair done and get this outfit made just to sit upstairs this entire time and not have anybody see her. Somebody is gonna see my daughter today. So she brought me down, and then she got busy and sidetracked talking to somebody. So I'm literally sitting there and like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do, what I'm supposed to say. So that's why I was looking kind of awkward. But that's basically what was going on right there, and then I just went back to being nervous and awkward and all of that.
I'm beautiful too. That's not fair. You don't be like your sister. Congratulations. Hold on. Her dress is beautiful.
Hey guys, so it is now like midnight, but introduction is over. Today's just been crazy. Oh my gosh, it's been a lot, but I'm so glad that it's over. I'm so glad that, you know, we had a great time with our families and everything. After introduction, we went ahead and went on over to a wedding from one of my fiance's family friends and stuff, so that was fun. Now I'm back and running a bubble bath, because one thing about me, I'm gonna take a bubble bath while I'm in a hotel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then go to sleep. Tomorrow I'll be going dress shopping and hopefully saying yes to the dress that I'm pretty sure is my dress. So hopefully that goes well. Thank you guys so much for coming along this introduction journey. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a bit about like Igbo culture, Igbo marriage customs and stuff. Obviously, we still have a traditional wedding to do and plan, as well as a whole white wedding. So wedding content is not stopping here. Thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too.